Hello, welcome back to my YouTube class again. In this video, we are going to study exercise 1.4 question number 18. Question number 18 ka kan solve do na ulog de nin lo ngai thanga. We have the question is find the value of a in the following. We have to find the value of a. Okay, here we have 6 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 equal to 3 root 2 minus a root 3. We are going to solve the left side. 6 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 to get this a value. Okay. Solution. We have what we have 6 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3, and this is equal to 3 root 2 minus a root 3. Okay, then let's take the left side, left hand side this side. 6 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Let's write here 6 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay, then rationalize the denominator. Let's write ratio. It means we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number of this denominator but opposite sign. Opposite sign means this minus sign should change to plus sign. Since this is minus here, you have to write 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Then the rationalizing factor will be the same number but opposite sign. 3 root 2, it will be positive 2 root 3. This is for the numerator, and for the denominator, let's write 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. This is for the denominator. Okay, now let's multiply this and numerator, or we can write 6 multiply 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. It means we multiply both the numerator and numerator, but the denominator, if you look carefully, you will see that 3 root 2 and 3 root 2, they are same. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3, here also they are same, but their sign, here it is minus and here plus. So we can form a formula out of this. How? See, 3 root 2 will be a 3 root 2, I will put square here, then I will take minus 1, this one, then 2 root 3 square. Okay, that means, see, expanded form of this. Okay, in algebra we have a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Algebra ami a square minus b square expanded form ka a plus b, a minus b kanya kami expanded form sit si katahan kan nai a chuingen yang a is 3 root 2, here also 3 root 2, that means a and a are same. Okay, and then b 2 root 3, 2 root 3, b and b are same. One of the b should be minus and one should be positive. This is minus and this is positive, so we can put back its short form a square minus b square. A is 3 root 2, since it is square, 3 root 2 square minus 2 root 3 square. Okay, then multiply this 6 and 3. 6 3s are 18, there is root 2 plus 6 into 2, that means we multiply this 6 and 3 first, then after that this 6 and 2. 6 2s are 12 root 3. Okay, then the denominator here, you have to remember that you have to take the square of this 3 and then this one also. 3 square is what? Okay, let's write here 3 root 2 square is equal to 3 3s. We can write 3 3s into this root 2 square also. Root 2 square will be root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. Okay, root 2 into root 2. 3 3s 9. Then root 2 into root 2, here you have root 4, root over 4. Then 9, since 4 is the square of 2, we'll take its square root 2. 9 to the what? 18. Okay, then we can write 18 minus the same process here also. 2 square is 4. Then this root 3 into root 3 will be root 9. Then 9 is the square of 3, so its square root is 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Now what should we do? From the above two terms, from the numerator, you have to take common. If I say common, that number should be the factor of this 18 and 12. Factor means that number should be able to divide this 18 and 12. What number will be? Will it be 6? If we take okay, let's take 3 first. 3, if we take 3, it will be 3 6 then 3 4. Okay, that means 6 and 4. You will get 6 and 4. Again, from here also you still can take common, so we will reject this 3, and then our common should be bigger than this, since there is even number. Okay, I mean you still can take the common from this, so reject this 1 and consider another number which is bigger than this 3. That number will be 6. Okay, 6. If we take 6 as common, you will get what? 6 3s are 18, and then this is root 2. Then this 6 2s are 12. Then there will be root 3. Then the denominator, subtract 12 from 18. If we subtract 12 from 18, we will get 6. Then the numerator 6 and the denominator 6, you can eliminate these two. Okay, then what do we get now? 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. See, initially we have 3 root 2 minus a root 3. Okay, 3 root 2 minus a root 3. That means we need this a value. Okay, a value we need here. So to get that a value, we can write like this: 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay, in this case our a value will be what? A value will be this root 2, since this minus 2, since this root 3 is already in the question, and 3 root 2 and minus also already in the question, so a value will be the one which is not which is at the positions of a. In this solution, minus 2 is at the positions of a, so we can say therefore a value is minus 2. Okay, this is our a value. See, the question is 6 root 3 is 6 by root 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to 3 root 2 minus a root 3. So you have to rationalize the left side value first. Here we take the left side value, 6 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Rationalize the denominator. Here we rationalize the denominator. We multiply both numerator with the same number of the denominator but opposite sign. See, 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 2 root 3, 2 root 3. This minus will change to plus. Okay, the denominator also you have to multiply it since we rationalize the denominator. Okay, 6 multiply 3 root 2 will be 18 root 2. 6 multiplied 2 root 3 will be 12 root 3. But the denominator 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. This 3 root 2 and 3 root 2 are same. 2 root 3, 2 root 3 are same. Okay, that means this is the form of a square minus b square expanded. Okay, that is a plus b, a minus b. In this case, a and a, b and b, one of the b should be negative. One of the b is negative here, then one is positive. So put it back to its short form. 3 root 2 square minus 2 root 3 square. Okay, that means we have to take this 3 root 2 square. 3 root 2 square is what? 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Minus, here also 2 2s are 4, 4, 4 3s are 12. So subtract 12 from 18. 18 minus 12 will be 6. Okay, then from the numerator we have to take common. Common is 6. Then 6 inside bracket you will have 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, then eliminate these 6 and the denominator 6. Then we will get 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. In this case, this 3 root 2 is already in the right side. Then root 3 also. Root 3 also already there. But minus a, we need minus. Okay, since it is positive, to get that positive, we can split minus and minus here. Minus into minus will be positive. Okay, plus. So just split this plus into 2 times of minus, a negative sign. Then inside the bracket put one of the negative sign. So it will be minus 2. Minus 2 will be the value of a in this case. Okay, so you have to write down this in your notebook. Your homework will be, you have to copy this one. Okay, you have to copy it down to your notebook. And another homework, question number 19. Here I will explain how to do this. Question number 19. See, in this question, root 2 value is given and then root 3 value also given. Before using this root 2 and root 3 values, you have to rationalize this denominator and this denominator. Okay, how to rationalize? That means you have to multiply this 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 into the same number of this. Okay, in same number of this the denominator but opposite sign. It means you have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 and 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. See here also the same number but opposite sign. This is negative, it will be positive and positive. Okay, so this is how to rationalize. Then the second term 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 also 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 into the same number but opposite sign. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, on rationalizing you will get all this root 2 at the numerator. Okay, you will get at the numerator and then put their values and multiply it. After that you will get the final answer. Okay, you have to do this one also. Okay, your homework, you have to copy down the previous question answer, and you have to solve this question number 19 also. Okay, and question number 18 solution, copy down to your notebook. Okay, thank you.